guys, it's Tammy, and I went to Hobby Lobby the other day and found some things that I'm going to take to work. So I thought that I would show you because I enjoy just a to-do list for the things that I have to do at work. And I have a calendar, but I like something that I can just write on. And I thought this was adorable. This is an Agenda 52 from the Paper Studio. It was 50% off, and it includes a ribbon page marker, an elastic band closure, premium thick pages, and 192 dotted pages. So they're all dotted, but they are the thick pages, and they're just plain. So I can go on here and write to do, and then write whatever it is that I have to do. I just like to kind of make a blank list. That's the way I function best, and I do that every day when I get to the office, or sometimes I start it the night before. So I thought this was really cute for that. So that's what this is going to be used for. And then I found some really cute stickers that I could use with it. And they are also by the Paper Studio, and they were also 50% off. I think everything that I'm about to show you was. And it's all from the same collection with the same little girl, which I just adore. So, and it looks like they go monthly. I thought that was cute. So there's like a whole section for January stickers. Happy New Year, winter wishes, resolutions. May your clothes be comfy, your coffee be strong, and your Monday short. And then here's a February sticker sheet. Who needs boys when you have your girls? And then here is March. Lucky to have you. Somewhere over the rainbow. And April, I was made for sunny days. May your whole day shine. May, best day ever. Less Monday, more summer. Girls just want to have sun. And then, oh, maybe that was June. This is July. Show me the fireworks, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And then this is August with school starting, dreaming of the weekend because I'm over this week. And then September, mad for plaid, stay cozy. October, eat sweets and be spooky. You are beautiful. And then November, gobble gobble, eat and repeat. December, it's the most wonderful time of the year. It's ugly sweater season. And then there are just letters that I can create whatever I need. So I thought that was really cute, and that will be fun to use. I also found these recipe cards that I thought were really cute. It has just lined on the back and on the front. It says ingredients, directions, serves, prep time, and total time. And look how cute she is. So that's just for me for here. And then I thought these were adorable. They are the magnetic like clips to separate dates or whatever you want to separate, but lipstick, kiss the bad days away. There's the little girl, never too many shoes. Just super cute. And then I also got these stickers. This says Watercolor Love Foiled Sticker Pack. Oh, goodness. And I thought these would be cute to use in my planner at work as well. And I still have some from last year too that I haven't finished using. This says so busy, get it done, meh, stand out, you got this, work hard, shop harder. What's that one say? You are a diamond, darling. And then here are some cute little flag things, and messy hair, don't care, like a boss, this week. So those will all be nice to use. Just some more stickers. And I love that they're foiled too, some of them. To-dos and paydays. And hooray. These are clear. There's more paydays, which is nice. Hope I can use all of those paydays. Oh, I think that's one page. And then here are some like this week, to do, this month, and some just circles. Sunday fun day, yummy brunch time. And that's kind of fun too, because sometimes we do go out to breakfast. So those are kind of cute. And some hearts. And some washi. And more of these little notes and some checklists. Oh, and then some just monies and locations and emails and important and coffee and airplane. So just cute. And I think that I'm going to take all of these to work with my planner, and that is what I'm going to use for 2019 along with my calendar. And my calendar is just a month-to-month calendar that I print offline. So there we go. Thought you might just like to see. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.